We've got an upper body workout today. We're working out back, chest, and arms. You can hop onto my website for more details and to find a day-by-day schedule. We're getting more interactive this time, so submit your measurements and progress so I can feature your results in a video. Brett and I will also be answering your questions, so drop a comment down below. And you can also join my Discord server if you're looking for workout buddies. Shout out to Brett for working with me on this. This program is completely free, so all you have to do is to put that effort in and you're gonna get peachy. So smash that like button, share this with anyone who needs it, and let's get into the workout. We'll need a set of light and heavy dumbbells for this workout. If you don't have any, just get familiar with the exercises and use alternatives you can find at home. We've got 4 supersets repeated twice with rest in between. Sit on your mat and we're gonna start with chest press. Set your dumbbells on your hips with your knees bent, then slowly lay back on the mat. Press the weights up over your chest by contracting your triceps and chest. Slowly lower the weight until both elbows touch the mat, then press dumbbells back to the starting position. Have your dumbbells tilted at 45 degrees so they don't knock one another when you press up, and make sure your elbows aren't flaring out to 90 degrees. Keep them at around 45 degrees or less. Don't lock your elbows if you're lifting heavy weights.
I always felt like I'm alone, yeah. When everybody thinks they know, yeah. And y'all don't even know I am, yeah.
Now moving on to chest fly. We'll take a few seconds rest to get ready for the next exercise. Use lighter weights for this exercise if you can. Again, press the weights up over your chest with your palms facing each other in a neutral grip. Lower the weights down in an arching motion, keeping a slight bend on your elbows. When your elbows hit the floor, squeeze the dumbbells back together in an arching motion. Focus on squeezing your pecs.
I throw up, and if you cross me, it was good to know ya. I'm impatient, I don't ever slow up.
We're done with this set. Pause the video and get sufficient rest, and we'll repeat this superset one more time.
Cross me, it was good to know ya. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm not the type to take no for an answer. I don't deal with people that are like a cancer. No, instead I hang with the people that enhance ya. And I'm not the type to give out second chance.
Again, make sure you press the dumbbells tilted at 45 degrees and your elbows at around 45 degrees. Squeeze your pecs.
I'm working on my wealth and I'm working on my health. Keep on working to excel, cause I'm working on myself. Yeah. And y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, yeah. When everybody thinks they know, yeah. And y'all don't even know I am, yeah. And now I'm ready taking over, cause every day I'm getting closer. Just look at everything I'll show ya.
Now shift to lighter weights and get ready to do some chest flies. Keep a slight bend on the elbow and squeeze the dumbbells together in an arching motion.
Man, I promise that I'm gonna make it somewhere. As long as I'm conscious, I'll be working hard to get there. I am not a novice, I'm gonna be the best, so prepare. Cause you know I'm honest and I'm coming for you, be scared. Man, I promise that I'm gonna make it somewhere. As long as I'm conscious, I'll be working hard to get there. I am not a novice, I'm gonna be the best, so prepare.
Now we're done with this superset. The next superset focus on your back and biceps.
Yeah. That's right. Y'all better watch out. NEFFEX is on the rise. Yeah. It's that first day of first grade. That cute girl.
Next, we have bent over row. Stand upright with your dumbbells by your side in a neutral grip. Hinge on your hips until your torso is almost parallel to the floor. Then pull the dumbbells towards your body and drive the elbows behind the body while retracting your shoulder blades. Slowly lower the dumbbells back to the starting position in a controlled manner. Avoid bouncing up and down too much.
confident, made new friends, a new start, a new you. I guess things could be worse. Dad's in sales and my mom is a nurse.
We are moving on to bicep curl. Take a few seconds rest to get into position, and let's start by standing upright. Hold dumbbells with palms facing forward. Keep your upper arm stable, then bend at the elbow and lift the dumbbells up. Make sure your elbows are tucked in and not moving around while doing bicep curls. Only your lower arms are moving, and do it slow and controlled. Don't swing your upper body. Keep your core tight and shoulders relaxed. We're done with the first set. Take some time to rest, and we're gonna start the second set. We have bent over row again. Make sure you're not bouncing up and down too much. Don't use the momentum to bring the weight up. A little bit of bouncing is fine, but do the exercise in a controlled manner.
It's that time that you got caught. You snuck out and forgot your parents were so...
Great work. Now let's do some bicep curls. Set yourself up in the upright position, then curl the weights up. Do it slow and controlled, and don't swing or move your upper arms. Keep them still.
You had no chance, but still asked her to dance. The time that you moved out, your parents were so proud, and waving goodbye, they held back their tears somehow. All lives aren't the same, but we can work together and we can make a change. Yeah, this life is strange. Remember all the good while forgetting all the pain. Yeah, think back to a day when you were so free just to run around and play. Yeah, you can have that day. Just let go, let your mind run away. Yeah, and learn to be young.
We're done with the second superset. Pause the video for a longer break.
Quit living on the run and be where your feet are. Laying down at night, just stare up at the stars. Yeah, and be proud of who you are. Wear your memories in your sleeve like a scar.
The next exercise is shoulder press. Start by standing upright with a neutral straight back. Bring the dumbbells above your shoulders, then press upwards over your head in a controlled manner. Try to not knock your dumbbells, and also don't lock your elbows, especially if you're using heavy weights. We're doing lateral raise after a short rest. I'll normally opt for lower weights for this exercise as we're using smaller muscle groups for this. Again, stand upright, back straight, hold your dumbbells in a neutral grip, then raise your dumbbells up to your shoulder level with a slight bend on your elbows. Then lower your dumbbells down slowly. Do not swing, don't use the momentum, focus on using your lateral delts. Don't go over your shoulders if your focus is not on training your traps.
You say, cause they'll go my way, make a buck from the pain, not enough, I'm insane. Wanna leave a stain on this world on your brain, you will never be the same. Grab the wheel, grab the reins, gotta talk to yourself, scare away all the pain.
We're done with this set. Take a longer break here to rest up those muscles, and we have one more set to go for this superset. We're halfway through the workout, guys. Keep it up, not long to go.
Do the same and climb. Are you just a regret? Are you always upset? Do you need to reset? Figure out what's up next. Trust me, take a deep breath. Everything you'll forget. This is now a real threat.
Let's start with shoulder press again. Make sure your back is not arched and focus on your form.
I'm sick of the declining mental health. How about you go help out your fucking...
Moving on to lateral raise straight away. Switch to lighter weights. Make sure you're not swinging your body when you're doing it. Focus on your lateral delts.
somebody else. The key is to show everybody, don't tell. My God, are we all to blame? We should feel ashamed. It drives me insane. It feels like a game. We all lose and blame someone else because we feel like they rigged the game. But no, ain't nobody ever gonna stop you. Put your mind to it, nobody will drop you. All the way to the top, never stop you. Got one life to live, so see it right through. Who are you inside? I'm sick of never feeling quite right. I'm gonna make a change this time. You better do the same and climb. Are you just a regret? Are you always upset?
That's it for this superset. You've done well. We have one more superset left to go. Pause the video for a longer break. We're gonna be working our triceps and upper back next. Let's start with overhead tricep extension. Stand upright, back straight with dumbbells over your head, keeping your upper arm still. Lower the dumbbells behind your head with your elbows pointing forward. Make sure your elbows are not pointing out to the side and that your upper arms are staying still.
I'm in a rolling a biz, hey, pull up on 6 out of 10, hey, parties on weekends I'm bent, hey, all of this money is spent, hey, throwing a lot of events, hey, throwing for me and my friends, hey, turn up 100%, hey, living until I am dead, hey, I'm gonna make it, you'll see, trick, give it some time and you'll see, this, I don't just want it, I need it, that is why I will achieve it, man, you just gotta believe it, see in your mind you could be it, live every day with no regret, making mistakes and then reset, go on and hate me, because I do what I do.
Straight away, we are moving on to rear delt fly. Stand upright, hip width apart and dumbbells by your side. Then hinge on your hips until your torso is almost parallel to the floor. Then raise your dumbbells up, retracting your shoulder blades. You can pause for a second here, then lower your dumbbells down in a controlled manner. Make sure you're not bouncing your body up and down here too.
I can't make it, I could do this all day, I could hear them all hate, don't care what they all say, I'm gonna do it my way, got them like whoa, I got them like whoa, got them like whoa, I got them like whoa, I could do this all day, I could hear them all hate, don't care what they all say, I'm gonna do it my way, got them like whoa, I got them like whoa, got them like whoa.
We're almost done with the workout, just one more set to go. You can do this. While doing tricep extension, again, make sure your upper arm stays still and your elbows pointing forward and not outward. Let's smash this. You can do it.
Stay true to the beat, yeah. Rapping like I came from the streets, nah. Rapping like I want something, yeah. Rapping all about my beliefs, yeah. Rapping like you can't stop me, nah.
We're doing rear delt fly straight away. Again, make sure you're not bouncing your body up and down too much while you're doing this exercise.
What I did, I'ma get huge, I'ma be rich, cause I feel the void like I'm filling up a niche, and I'm never gonna give up, hit 'em with a little bit of switch up, never gonna be able to predict us, gonna be the one with the hits, bro, get lit. Go on and hate me, because I'm better than you, go on and hate me, because I'm making my move, go on and hate me, because I know what to do, go on and hate me, go on and hate me, yeah, that's okay, yeah, I cannot complain, because today, I'm doing my thing, I stay my lane, and fight through the pain so that one day, I can make a name.
And that's it for this superset. We have just 2 more exercises left to complete the workout. Pause here if you need a longer break. Don't give up now, you can do this.
Got 'em like whoa, I got 'em like whoa, I could do this all day, I could hear them all hate, don't care what they all say, I'm gonna do it my way, got 'em like whoa, I got 'em like whoa, got 'em like whoa, I got 'em like.
We have 10 reps of push-ups next. Start in a high plank, then lower your body down in a controlled manner. Make sure your elbows are not flare out. It should be at around 45 degrees. Then press up and repeat.
Got 'em like, whoa, I got 'em like, whoa. I could do this all day, I could hear 'em all, hey, don't care what they all say, I'm gonna do it my way. Got 'em like, whoa, I got 'em like, whoa.
The last exercise is contralateral. We have 20 reps of this and we're done with this workout. Start in a low plank and lift one leg and the opposite arm at the same time. Engage your core and try not to poke your butt up or droop it down too much. Keep going guys, you can do it. And that's the workout guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this upper body workout. Now smash that like button and leave a comment down below with how you went, and I'll see you in the next workout. Bye!